that when the time is appropriate, I respectfully ask for your aye vote.
And now on to 2164.
Thank you, Senator. I want to start by thanking the committee staff for their analysis on the bill. I'm presenting AB 2164, which is an important bill that will protect California healthcare providers from being extradited out of state for care that is fully legal here in California. Luckily, our current governor has taken a strong stance on protecting our providers and denied out-of-state extraditions, even though we have seen such requests take place. However, looking to the future, it's imperative that California providers are safe against threats of extradition rather than the case-by-case basis under which our current law deals with it. 17 other states have already have firm extradition clauses, such as the one proposed in this bill. AB 2164 codifies current protections, ensuring that regardless of who the governor is, our brave healthcare providers are protected. The bill creates reciprocal protections for licensed providers who may be here and also didn't commit a crime while providing health care. The bill has already been narrowed in scope and will continue to work with stakeholders to ensure that the bill strengthens California's shield laws in the most effective manner while also protecting patients. AB 2164 is sponsored by the Abortion Coalition for Telemedicine and is supported by Planned Parenthood, Equality California, the OBGYNs, and our own legislative LGBTQ caucus. With me today in support is Lizzie Hinckley, Legal Director with the Abortion Coalition for Telemedicine, and Dr. Kelly Kaiser, Founder and Director of ARIA Medical. Here. Maybe they're out in the crowd. Yeah. There they are. Right at the microphone. Sorry. You're okay.
The microphone there, yes.
Thank you. My name is Lizzie Hinckley, and I am the Legal Director for the Abortion Coalition for Telemedicine. ACT is an advocacy organization at the forefront of advancing comprehensive shield laws, enabling telemedicine abortion providers to meet the access needs of patients across the country. AB 2164 strengthens California's existing shield laws by prohibiting future governors from honoring extradition requests for individuals who provide or assist with reproductive or gender-affirming care that is legal in California. By removing discretionary authority, the bill ensures California healthcare providers cannot be extradited to states seeking to criminalize essential healthcare. This legislation is urgently needed as states across the country seek to enforce abortion bans by criminally targeting abortion providers and, increasingly, patients themselves. This is not hypothetical. 2 doctors providing abortion care pursuant to the shield law protections have already been indicted. In the years since Dobbs, shield laws enacted in California and across the country have protected these providers from being extradited to states that have criminalized abortion access. Absent statutory protection, if left to the discretion of a different governor, those abortion providers would be sitting in jail awaiting criminal trial. California providers should not have to practice under the uncertainty of shifting political winds. AB 2164 provides the stability and security necessary to ensure California remains a safe place for patients and providers. The Abortion Coalition for Telemedicine is honored to be the lead sponsor of AB 2164. We thank Assemblymember Bauer-Cahan for championing this critical legislation and respectfully urge a yes vote. Thank you.
Thank you. Others in support?
Yeah, thank you so much. My name is Dr. Kelly Pfeiffer. I live in California. I'm a family doc, and I've been an abortion provider for over 25 years. In 2023, I started a medication abortion clinic in Kansas to serve patients traveling from states like Texas that were criminalizing abortion care, and our team opened a location in Ohio last year. I also ran a practice that does telehealth abortions in California, Nevada, and Arizona. I know I'm taking some risk treating abortion patients. At any moment, an angry family member could try to prosecute me, even though the care I provide is absolutely legal according to California law and in the states where I practice. We're in a time of creative and escalating attacks. My colleagues working in telehealth practices, mentioned by my colleague earlier, are taking even more risk as their work allows people living in restricted states to receive pills by mail. We're all part of a system that assures people are not forced to continue a pregnancy just because of the state they live in. And we all are counting on California shield law. I live and work here because I believe California will always protect healthcare access. However, without this bill, protection against an unjust prosecution by another state's officials for political reasons is not assured. And this bill strengthens existing SHIELD laws. It prohibits future governors from honoring extradition requests for providers who assist with health care that's legal in California. It assures reciprocal protections, so abortion providers who visit California also are protected, and that our state is on record for supporting safe and legal care. Protecting us from prosecution should not depend on shifting political whims or a single person's decision. And by removing discretionary authority in these circumstances, this bill assures that California healthcare providers cannot be arrested or extradited to states seeking to criminalize care. This is crucial protection, and I strongly urge you to support the passage of AB 2164, and thank you.
Thank you very much. That was just about exactly 2 minutes, I think. Others in support, state your name, organization, and position.
My name is Katrina Cantrell. I'm the Executive Director of Women's Health Specialist. Women's Health Specialist is a 51-year organization that has served with reproductive rights and health care for the last 51 years. I'm here in support of 2164. We have shepherded physicians. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, Chair and members. Karen Stout here on behalf of the California Nurse Midwives Association in support. Thank you.
Thank you. Others in support?
Jennifer Robles with Health Access California in support.
Martin Radosevich on behalf of Reproductive Freedom for All California in support.
Benjamin Henderson with the Western Center on Law and Poverty in support.
Kathy Van Austin on behalf of the American Association of University Women in support.
Good morning, Angela Pontes on behalf of Planned Parenthood Affiliates of California in support.
Ryan Spencer on behalf of the American College of OBGYNs, District 9 in support.
Others in support? Seeing none come forward, do we have primary witnesses in opposition? Approach the microphone, please. You have 2 minutes.
All right, thank you. Matthew Ward. Members, this bill asks California to become a sanctuary, not for vulnerable children, but for the people who permanently altered children's bodies. Read the bill carefully. It does not protect children. It protects the adults who perform irreversible medical interventions on children. AB 2164 extends California's legal shield to providers who remove healthy breasts or genitals from minors, suppress natural puberty, and administer cross-sex hormones, even when another state has determined those actions violate its laws. Think about what that means. A child can lose the ability to have biological children before ever becoming an adult. A child can lose normal sexual function before ever understanding what was taken from them. A child can become a lifetime of hormones, surgeries, and medical dependence. And instead of asking whether that child was harmed, California answers it to shield the provider from accountability. I know many of you believe you are acting out of compassion. I do not question your intentions, but history is filled with well-intentioned people who were tragically wrong. Good intentions do not restore fertility. Good intentions do not restore healthy organs. Good intentions do not reverse permanent medical interventions. This bill is also unconstitutional. The extradition clause does not permit a governor to refuse a facially valid extradition request simply because California disagrees with another state's laws, yet that is exactly what AB 2164 attempts to authorize. And it strikes at one of our nation's oldest and most fundamental liberties, the right of parents to direct the medical care of their children. Instead of protecting families, this bill protects those who may have bypassed parental authority while making accountability harder to achieve. California should not be a refuge for those who profit from the bodies of other states' children. Ask yourself one question before you vote. When history looks back at this moment, will California be remembered as the state that protected children or the state that protected people who permanently harmed them? Thank you.
Chair and members, my name is Leandra Wells with the California Family Council in opposition to AB 2164, which builds a wall around two things California refuses to look at honestly. First, what the bill calls gender-affirming care, we call them sex-rejecting procedures, puberty blockers, cross-sex hormones, and surgeries on minors. This year, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services released a peer-reviewed evidence review finding that the evidence for benefit is low and the evidence of harm is significant. England, Sweden, Finland, and Norway have all pulled back for the same reasons. The human cost is in the courtroom. In January, a New York jury awarded $2 million to a young woman whose doctor approved a double mastectomy at 16 without meeting the standard of care. Here in California, Chloe Cole is suing Kaiser over the same harm. AB 2164 extends legal cover to the very providers now being held liable. Second, abortion. California no longer has an ultrasound requirement and has expanded mail order chemical abortion with no in-person doctor appointment. An analysis of over 860,000 cases found a serious adverse event rate far higher than the label reports. So I have to ask plainly, why is safety never the thing we worry about here? Look at who you are sacrificing to protect abortion and transgender ideology. Please consider that those who see themselves as heroes are the last to see the harm. Finally, this bill raises serious full faith and credit concerns. Your own analysis admits as much, but you are plowing ahead anyway, knowing you will be sued for violating the U.S. Constitution. I encourage you to reconsider. Please oppose AB 2164. Thank you.
Thank you. Others opposed that would like to state so? Come to the microphone. Name, organization, and position.
Florentina DeGennaro with Moms Army, thousands of moms through California, also representing Freedom Coalition and also representing Church of Glad Tidings in opposition.
Rochelle Connor, on behalf of Concerned Women for America, representing thousands of mothers and families in strong opposition.
Others opposed, come forward to the microphone. Seeing none, we will bring this back to the committee. Yes, Senator Laird.
I would just want to thank the author for bringing the bill, and at 4 o'clock when we have the quorum, I will be moving the bill.
Thank you, Senator.
You are optimistic.
I'm hoping 4 o'clock is an optimism.
You may close.
Thank you. And when the time is right, I respectfully ask for the committee's aye vote.
Thank you. And Assemblymember Pacheco?
Mine.
Johnson, Krell is here, and Johnson.
Oh, yes.
Johnson and
Very patient.